Hello, my name is Dr. Philip Chaney. I have a PhD in geography and a bachelor's degree in agriculture. My research focuses on sustainable use of water resources. These slides show some examples of recent projects I've worked on with some of my graduate students. Hopefully, they will give you a better idea of the kind of research we do. The first project involves mapping irrigation sites in Alabama. Agriculture is one of the largest uses of water in the state, so it is important to document how much water is being used for irrigation so that the state can manage its water resources in a more sustainable manner. Our task was to use aerial photography and GIS to map the irrigation sites and then to match these sites with the farmers' records to estimate the total amount of water used. The results showed that there had been a large increase in irrigation in recent years, which was of great concern to the Alabama Office of Water Resources. Now, you can read more about the project in the article we published in the Professional Geographer, which is listed at the bottom of the slide. The graduate student who worked on this project is now working for a wastewater management company in Texas. This next project is a study of drought management plans for urban areas in Alabama. Now, Alabama has suffered several severe droughts in recent years, so it's important to develop effective drought management plans to mitigate the impacts before the drought occurs. Now, California is well known for its experience with drought, so we compared the drought management plans of the major cities in Alabama with cities of similar population in California. Now, the bad news is that the Alabama plans are much less comprehensive or detailed than the California plans. But the good news is that we developed a scorecard that cities can use to improve their drought management plans for the future. Now, you can read more about the project in an upcoming article in the Southeastern Geographer, which is listed at the bottom of the slide. The graduate student who worked on this project is now a sustainability officer at the University of Illinois. Now, please feel free to contact me if you are interested in learning more about sustainable use of water resources here at Auburn University. Now, thanks for your time and best of luck.